Well, let me make it frank now. Shame is the most abused, is the most insulted, and is the governor that has so many cases. He has never arrested. And if he had an outburst, it's because of what he has been going through. His suspension was unconstitutional. Nigerians are shouting, yet federal mind is sitting on it. Local government chairman will call him Mumu. He will do everything, all kinds. He had elections that were free and fair. Supreme Court will say no. Supreme Court is not even looking at the matter. Mr. President intervened in the crisis, asked him to withdraw his case for his opponent to have an edge. When you look at all this that is going through, the young man was tired. So when he said, my spirit is no longer in government house, does not mean it is not ready to become governor. But with what he is going through, no other governor in Nigeria is going half of what he's going through. So he was perplexed, and so he can say anything. But on the issue of supporters, it is very obvious that he has the support of Rivers people. And because he's sitting on the governor's seat, because Rivers people voted for him. And the people of Rivers State are still determined to see him return to government house, to see him become the governor. And so we don't need his permission to express how we feel, because we are not working for him. The Rivers people are not working for him. They are working for the soul of Rivers State. Whatever Sim says is not the issue. The issue is Rivers State, the people of Rivers State, Niger Delta, and Nigerians want constitutional government. They need a democratic government. You cannot remove Rivers State out of the 36th state against the constitution. Section 1.4 defines Rivers State as one of the, section 1.14. Section 1.4 defines Rivers State as one of the 36 states. All right? So if other 35 states, including Abuja, is ruled democratically, there is no way you can bring a military rule in Rivers State and you expect Rivers people to keep quiet. Our women demonstrated, not because Shame asked them to go and demonstrate. Today I'm talking, not because Shame asked me to talk. Our men, our young men are not happy. There's frustration in Rivers State. Rivers people are so annoyed that you brought a stranger, complete stranger, to come and manage our resources, and since he came, there's no single development. When Shame was here, every month they are commissioning one project or the other. It's not a flyover project they are commissioning. They are commissioning a project that affects the life of everybody. As it's not there are projects still going on, but things are slowing down. This man is not paying anybody. And so Rivers people are so very sad. So you cannot stop them. Shame cannot even stop them from expressing their anger, from expressing their feelings that this is not what they bargained for. So if that is what is the problem with Tinubu or Wike capitalizing on that, it's unfortunate. And for Wike, as a former governor, as a leader of the state, a man who ruled Rivers State for 8 years, if his wish for Rivers State is suffering, salaries should not be paid, there should be no progress, that is quite unfortunate. If he thinks that he brought Shame with good mind, he would have called Shame as his son, as his boy, come. It's not to start case against him. It's not to send impeachment against him. It's not to fight him. It's not to threaten him. Mr. President has asked them to go and reconcile. Shame as a governor went to see him. And to show humility, he went and see him. They discussed. And he came out. He refused to make comment on what they discussed. But that does not mean that Rivers people don't make comments. Rivers people must still talk. And if Tinubu think the best for him is to suspend Shame and bring a stranger and think he will win the Rivers State, foul. I was part of the PANDEF who championed a southern president. Pandef, Owaneze Arawa, Abadigbo, Fedefere, and the Middle Belt insisted in getting a South president after 8 years of Buhari. And Tinubu was lucky to emerge, and he got overwhelming vote across the Niger Delta and other part of the South. So if he wants to get vote, he must return same. And if Sim says we should support him, we'll support him. Otherwise, I don't see him winning Niger Delta. Because Niger Delta would not be cowed. You cannot intimidate us and think you can win. It's mutual understanding. We shall agree that, yes, we did, Southern Nigeria did 8 years. And that's why Jonathan declined when they approached him. Otherwise, Jonathan would have come to complete his tenure. But he declined because he feel there is no point fighting. So if Tinubu is fighting because of second tenure, the way Wike is driving him may not be the way. Rivers people are still demanding. Same must be returned. Return same. Let him give us that good governance he's giving us. That does not mean that same is sending us to discuss. As we are talking, I didn't know, I've not seen same. I saw same last in that Clark's night of tribute. That was what I saw, and we could not discuss. I didn't discuss with him. But that would not stop us as Rivers people from talking. So I appeal to Nigeria, whatever Sim said, they should forget it. The man is going through a lot of stress, a lot of trauma, a lot of intimidation, and he's not happy. And if you are in his shoe, you will not also be happy. So we are saying, return him. We don't want conditional return. Unconditional return. Let us make peace. And the assembly people should come. Wike should come. Same should come. We want peace. We can forgive one another. When Jonathan was a governor, similar situation arose between him and Tibi, Alaibi. And Obasanjo called them and made peace for them. I said, okay, 30% of the governance should be given to Tibi Alaibi, and 70% should be given to Jonathan. Governor Diri today was part of that reconciliation. He was part of 30% that was given to Tibi. Today he has rose to be a governor. From senator, House of Rep to Senate, and today is a governor. So that kind of arrangement can also take place. It's an elephant meat. Government meat is elephant meat. One man cannot finish it. Let them come together, all of us will work together to develop River State. But I can tell you, the people of River State are so happy. And today, even if you say go to election, despite the intimidation, Sim will win. No matter what. Not because they like Sim's face. A lot of us don't support Sim because Wike brought him and the way he brought him. But when you see the way Sim is working today, there is no way you would not support him. For us, the Calabar people have given Sim their mandate for second term. Look at what he has done there. The Emowa Tema Road, that's the road every Calabar man pass. Buguma to Abonima Road. It's another major road. Then the Trans-Calabari Road. Let them bring Sim, so Sim will also be able to do road in Kola for me. So we are pleased with his work, and we are praying that God should help, God should intervene, and let him come back.
Generally, how do you see the reconciliation process? Is there any hope for peace to return to the River State?
Well, Sim has done everything possible to make sure there's peace. And we are appealing to Nyesom Wike and his team to also find peace in their minds. They should embrace that peace, work towards it. Like I said, it's an elephant meet. All of us can participate in the governance, and things can flow. Nobody should be shut out. Everybody should be part of the government. And this Sim too has learned his lesson, and this too have also learned their lesson. There should be respect for each other. There should be the red line. Everybody knows where to start and where to end. So we want the peace to come. So Wike, if he's God-fearing and if he loves River State, let him come back and let's see how we can make this peace. I appeal to him to come. Let's make peace.